Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I have a Goodwill Outlet haul for you today. I actually went on Memorial Day. I don't know when I'll be able to post this video, so it might be, like way past Memorial Day. But I wanted to film it because I got some really cool things and I barely paid anything. I'm not sure if there was a special going on or if she just charged me less. I don't know. But I found some really good things, not too many things, but super awesome things. Like this, I found a Better Homes and Gardens binder. It's one of these binders. Whoops, sorry about that. And everything at my Goodwill Outlet is 75 cents. So this book was this is considered a book, and it was 75 cents. So it looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's not too dirty. It gets thrown around in the bins, so the pages are a little bit bent, but it looks fine. Let me see if I can find a copyright date. This one is 1974. And I just love the photography in here. It looks like, like if we took a picture nowadays and it looked like this, it would seem like an old filter, like a vintage filter. I like that coloring. Yeah, all the tabs pages are in here. I think they're all here. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, so I think this is going to be really fun to use. I've been finding a lot of binders lately, and it's super awesome. And most of them are in really good condition, so let me see how the binder rings are working. Yeah, it seems still very good. So that was one binder that I found. And then I found this Betty Crocker cookbook. Still in pretty good condition, not dirty or anything like that. This part looks a little bit weak, I think. But it seems fine. I think the pages had fallen out of this because everything's a little bit out of order. I did see the beginning of it somewhere in the middle. I want to see if we can find a copyright date. Here we go. This is not very old. It's copyright. The latest date is 1982. But I love it. It's such a fun picture right there. And yeah, the rings. These rings are a lot better than the other rings. So it's in really good shape. And I just love the cover here. And I like how it looks on the back. Super cute. So I was really happy about that one. And then I found a lot of random things. I found this music like pad type thing. There's a lot of pages left in it. It's a light green, so I really liked that. And there's just like different spaces for different types of instruments. And it's kind of, I think it's legal size, or it might seem a little bit bigger even. But I figure this would be great to just fold in half, and put into a junk journal, especially the bigger junk journals. So I found that. And then I saw this. I'm probably not going to use this in a junk journal, but I'm going to give it to my friend. I saw it and I couldn't really pass it up because it looks, the person who kept it had it in this like plastic protector type thing, and It's a Rolling Stone magazine from 1969, and the Beatles are on the cover. And it doesn't seem like the happiest topic here, but I think my friend will love it anyways because she's a huge Beatles fan. So I'm glad I got that one. And then I found this little, it says cookie book on here, and they're just like different recipe cards. And I thought it was cool. And it's pretty thick. So I got a whole bunch of those. Not sure if there's a date on it or anything like that. And this price here is not the price that I paid. Then I found this guy, this one. There's this guy there there's a lot of booksellers at my Goodwill, so they will try to get as many books as they can once the new bins are out, and they'll start putting things back once they check it on their phone, you know, to see if it's worth anything. So this guy threw this back in, and it looked interesting, so I took a look at it. It's called 150 Love Notes. 150 Love Notes to make your nearest and dearest so doggone happy. And I looked at it, and the pages in here are really cute. Just the images. This one says, "I will always love you." That is so cute. This one says, "Angels are watching over you. Their wings wrap gently around you, whispering you are loved and blessed." And I just like the, it looks like a newsprint color. This is not vintage, but it looks like the back is white, but the front of it looks kind of aged. And there's just tons of sayings and cute, like, pictures. Like, that is really awesome. So really cute. I think they even work in a, look, and there's an Alice in Wonderland card in here. It looks kind of vintage, some of these images, and even like boho-ish. Like some of the designs, like that could probably work in a boho journal. I don't know if you can see the detailing there. What was this image here? This is a cool image. So I thought that was really cool, and it's pretty thick, and it's a great size for junk journals. And then I found something that I've been looking for a long time. These flashcards. I don't like any kind of picture or colorful images on flashcards. So I've been looking for this type of flashcard for a long time. I don't know if this is old. It's not old. It's from 2003. But I think I'm going to really be able to use these in a lot of children's junk journals, you know, like school themed. So they're just plain flashcards. I like the matte side. This is matte. This is glossy. I like the matte side better. But it's a huge box of them, and I think they'll be really fun to use. I think this was probably my favorite find, just because I've been looking for it. And then I found this. I don't know if I'll be able to use it. They were just kind of scattered in some of the bins. But I thought if I put like a picture in here, this outside part could be a nice frame. Or I could cut it out maybe and do something in the middle. Maybe I could like cut it out and then glue something on the inside. I don't know. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I figured I would just get it anyways because it probably wouldn't cost that much. And then I found some textiles, which there weren't that many, but I just pick and chose like things that I really liked. So I found this. It looks like it's some kind of a shawl, possibly, or a scarf, but there's 3 rows of this pom-pom trim, and it looks very easy to take off. There's just like one line of stitching there. So I think I will definitely be able to take this off and use it in something, and maybe even be able to use the lace on the inside because it looks decent. So, and this is how it's gonna look when I take it off. And it barely cost me anything, so I was happy for that. Just found this applique and threw it in my cart. And then I found this. I don't know if people hung it on their wall or if it's a placemat or what it is, but it's just it's titled Irish Recipes. It's kind of like a linen material, and there's just different types of Irish dishes and Irish foods and a little blurb about them. So I thought it would be cool to just cut out like a square and then put it into a cooking journal or something like that. So there's that one. And then I found this. This is just a piece of lace. It's pretty big and it has some embroidery on it. And I thought it was really pretty. So I thought I'd be able to use that. Now everything I showed you here, the binders, the flashcards, the little like notepad and things like that, and these textiles, everything here, she for some reason charged me so little. She charged me $170, which was mind-blowing to me. But you know, that's what she charged me, so that's what I paid, and I left super happy. All right, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.